And that's the general way of making these drawings, and you should also try to put different kind of objects on different layers. So I'll click on this new layer option and I'll add a new layer, door. Click on this again and type window, the same icon, and type blocks, hatches, text, dimensions, and that's it for now. So I'll add different colors also. So I'll go to this door and I'll add this magenta color to door. I'll go to window. Let's add this blue color, and let's go to blocks, add this cyan. For hatches, I'll select green. For text, let's select yellow, and for dimensions, I'll select this pink color. Alright, so we have added colors, and these colors will be used to differentiate between different objects of the drawing. So now we can start with the door block. So go to this drop down, change it to door, and now click on this rectangle tool, click anywhere in the drawing area and type at, and the length of this rectangle should be 3 inches and the height should be 3 feet, and press enter. So alright, here we have it. Now make another rectangle, a small one, and this time I'll type at a length of 3 inches and a height of 6 inches, and press enter. Alright, so here we have it. Now simply move it on this endpoint here, just like this. Now I'll go to this arc tool and select this center start end. Now click on this point, that will be the center point, the start point, and the end point along this x-axis. Now make a copy of this small rectangle and simply move it on this endpoint like this. So our door block is ready. Now we only need to make a variation of this door block, and for that I'll make a copy of this. So select copy tool, and here we have it. So that's the original one, and I'll just make another copy here, and for making the next copy I'll select this mirror tool. Select mirror, select it all, and press enter. Now click on this point and click on this point and press enter. Now we need to remove these two rectangles. These rectangles are no longer needed, and here we have it. So we have these two variations of the door block. Now let's make windows, and for windows I'll once again select rectangle, and before doing that let's change the layer. So I'll change the layer to window. Alright, now click anywhere in the drawing area. Let's type at, and the length is 5 feet, comma, the height is 6 inches, and press enter. So as you can see that due to the dark color of this window, we are not able to see it quite properly. So I'll change the color of this window. So I'll click on this box and change it to this orange color and click on OK, close it. So there we have it. Now it's quite clearly visible. Alright, now let's explode this drawing and click on offset. Enter an offset distance of 1 inch. Offset it downwards, offset it here. Now make a copy of this one and copy it to the midpoint. Alright, let's go to the trim tool and trim it like this. So here we have it. One of the windows is now prepared. Let's select this rectangle tool again and make another window. For that I'll type at 6 feet, comma, 10 inches and press enter. I'll select this one, type X and press enter. So that will again explode this complete geometry. Select the offset tool, type 2 inches as the offset distance. Offset this one to 2 inches here also, and make a copy of this line similar to the one we did in the previous case. And here also I'll trim this portion. Alright, so we have these two windows and these two doors. Now let's convert them into blocks. And for that, I'll go to this create block and let's name it as door 1. Select the pick point and click on this point here. That's the pick point. Now select objects and select all of these objects and press enter, and now click on OK. So we have our door block. Now the second door block, so repeat the process, name it as door 2, pick point, and let's select this one as the pick point, select objects, select them all, press enter and OK. Similarly, repeat the process for window. Alright, so now we have added doors and windows and you can see them in this list. We have door 1, door 2 and window 1, window 2. Now they're ready to be added in our drawing, and we'll learn about adding these blocks and also other blocks in our drawing in the next video. To watch the next part of this video, click on this video link.